Good morning. I'm Mrs. Porter, Superintendent of Schools. Just giving you a brief update. I'm standing here today in front of our new maintenance facility. You can see that behind me. I wanted to make sure everyone knew what we had planned on doing with this facility. We're going to store all of our maintenance items here, and we will have our maintenance team working out of here so that we can do some upgrades on the tech center. Next week, we will visit the tech center, and I'll show you all the new programming that's going to happen for our students there coming in the fall. Now let's walk over to our temporary bus garage. Here we are at our temporary bus garage. Once we're finished using this as our temporary bus garage, we will be relocating into our permanent bus garage, which will be behind our Wetzel County Tech Center. But for now, our bus mechanics are doing the best job that they can, making sure all of our buses are up and ready for the fall. Come take a look with me. As you can see, our guys are hard at work making sure to get everyone safe and sound for the upcoming fall 2024-25 school year. After we're finished using this facility as our temporary bus garage, it will go into housing our dry goods and a lot of things that we need to service our schools each and every day.
No, you don't.
Okay, here we are with two of our fabulous bus mechanics working on our buses. They always make sure that our buses get our kids to and from school safe and sound. Behind me is storage for our dry goods for our students for their breakfast and lunch. This will soon be filled to the brim so that we can make sure to get it sent out to all of our schools. Okay, here we are inside of our facilities department. This is the old Rite Aid building, which Wetzel County Schools did purchase. As you can see here, we have our coolers and freezers where we will store all of our commodities for our students. Over there behind those doors, we have what are our dry goods for the kids. And if you have a quick pan around, this is some of the stuff that we have stockpiled so far for the next coming school year. So this building is going to really free up our space out at the tech centers.